Welcome to the best pick. The best Hitch Hammock Hanger is probably one of the most innovative and convenient solutions for outdoor enthusiasts looking to enjoy the simple pleasure of a hammock without the hassle of finding suitable trees or dealing with complicated setups, offering a versatile and portable way to relax anywhere your adventures take you, from backyard lounging to remote camping trips, ensuring you can always find your perfect spot to unwind and soak in the scenery. Number 5. HME Truck Hitch Game Hoist Complete Kit. Effortlessly skin and clean your game from any angle. Its rotating shaft and locking pin system allow for smooth 360-degree movement, making the process efficient and convenient. This hoist is built to handle large game like deer and hogs, with a robust 400-pound weight limit. You can rely on its strength for dependable support in rugged conditions. Work at the ideal height with its telescoping design, adjustable from 74 to 102 inches. This ergonomic feature ensures safer and more comfortable field dressing and cleaning. Get everything you need to start lifting right away. This kit includes a manual winch, a steel gambrel, and a swivel prevention hook for secure and controlled lifting. Easily mount it directly to your truck's 2-inch receiver hitch. An adjustable support foot provides extra stability, even on uneven terrain or in remote hunting camps. What we like. This hoist offers unparalleled access with its 360-degree swivel, making game processing a breeze from any angle. Its robust 400 pounds capacity and adjustable height ensure you can handle large game comfortably and efficiently. If you're a hunter who needs a reliable and versatile tool for field dressing, this is the one for you. What people say. The Hitch Hammock Hanger is incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for camping and backpacking trips. The durable construction ensures it can hold a significant amount of weight, providing a secure and stable hanging experience. Number 4. MaxxHaul 70238 Hydraulic Receiver Hitch Crane. Introducing the MaxxHaul 70238, a revolutionary hydraulic receiver hitch-mounted crane. It's the first of its kind, offering unmatched portability and affordability for all your lifting tasks. This hoist offers multiple boom capacities, supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Its versatile dimensions ensure it can handle a wide range of loads with ease. Easily lift heavy items like generators and pressure washers in and out of your truck bed. This crane simplifies your lifting, saving you valuable time and effort. Enjoy the convenience of a crane that requires no permanent installation or drilling. It offers 360-degree swivel for maximum flexibility. With an adjustable lift range from 30 to 84 inches, it provides ample height for various lifting situations. Get the job done efficiently, no matter the load. For your safety, remember to remove the swivel assembly when the vehicle is in motion. This ensures secure transport and peace of mind. What we like. Experience effortless heavy lifting with its hydraulic system and impressive 1,000 pounds capacity. This crane is designed for ultimate convenience, allowing you to easily load and unload bulky items from your truck bed without permanent installation. If you frequently transport heavy equipment like generators or barrels and need a powerful, portable solution, this hitch-mounted crane is an excellent choice. What people say. The Hitch Hammock Hanger is a game-changer for setting up hammocks quickly and easily. Its innovative design allows for tool-free installation and adjustment, making it incredibly user-friendly. The durable construction ensures it can support significant weight, providing a secure and reliable hanging solution. Number 3. ONE Hammock. Tired of searching for the perfect trees? Our hammock offers a revolutionary solution. Its patented design is safer and easier to use than traditional hammocks, eliminating the need for ropes or climbing. Experience ultimate relaxation wherever you go. This hammock combines the comfort of a traditional hammock with the portability of a chair, allowing you to unwind in style, indoors or out. Weighing just under 15 pounds, it's incredibly easy to pack and take with you. Set it up in 60 seconds or less, perfect for any occasion, from backyard lounging to camping adventures. Enjoy it as a comfortable chair or a relaxing hammock bed. It's perfect for reading, napping, or simply enjoying the view in suspended comfort. Enjoy your hammock guilt-free. It's designed to be used in areas where traditional hammocks might not be allowed, and it won't harm any trees. We stand by our product. Enjoy 24/7 online service and a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee for peace of mind. What we like. Forget the hassle of finding trees, this hammock offers complete freedom with its all-inclusive design and no tree requirement. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for spontaneous relaxation anywhere. If you love the idea of a hammock but need the flexibility to set it up in parks, backyards, or even indoors, this is your go-to for comfort on the move. What people say. The Hitch Hammock Hanger is a game-changer for hammock camping, allowing you to hang your hammock without damaging trees. Its innovative design uses a ratcheting system that securely attaches to trees of various sizes, providing a stable and reliable hang. The hanger is lightweight and compact, making it easy to pack and carry on backpacking trips. Number 2. Trailer Hitch Stand and Chairs Combo. Experience the highest quality craftsmanship available. This product is manufactured to meet the most exacting standards. Discover a design that is both stylish and innovative. It's crafted to impress and function perfectly. We ensure your complete satisfaction with this purchase. You'll love its performance and durability. Looking for a great gift idea? This is an excellent choice for anyone who appreciates quality and thoughtful design. Introducing the Trailer Hitch Stand and Chairs Combo. It's the perfect blend of convenience and comfort for your outdoor adventures. What we like. This combo offers a unique and stylish solution for outdoor seating directly from your trailer hitch. It's manufactured to the highest quality, ensuring durability and innovative design. If you're looking for a convenient and eye-catching way to provide seating at tailgates, campsites, or outdoor events, this hitch stand and chairs combo is a fantastic gift idea. What people say. The Hitch Hammock Hanger is incredibly easy to set up, taking only a few minutes to get my hammock ready for relaxation. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for backpacking and camping trips, as it doesn't add much bulk to my gear. The adjustable straps ensure a secure and stable hang on various tree sizes, providing peace of mind while I'm lounging. Number 1. Amazon Basics 9-Foot Hammock Stand. Experience unparalleled comfort and relaxation, whether you're at home or adventuring outdoors. Its portable design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Crafted with robust steel tubing, this stand offers exceptional strength and stability. The sleek black finish adds a touch of modern style to any setting. Setting it up is a breeze, with all necessary parts included for quick assembly. When not in use, it disassembles easily for compact storage and transport. This heavy-duty stand is built to support up to 2 people, ensuring shared relaxation. Enjoy your favorite outdoor moments together. Take your relaxation on the road with the included carrying case. It ensures convenient transport and keeps everything organized when you're on the move. Measuring 9 feet in length, it provides ample space for comfortable lounging. Enjoy its generous dimensions for ultimate relaxation. What we like. Enjoy ultimate comfort and relaxation with this sturdy and easy-to-assemble hammock stand. Its durable steel tube construction ensures reliability, and the included carrying case makes transport a breeze. If you value convenience, durability, and the ability to set up a comfortable lounging spot quickly at home or on the go, this portable hammock stand is an ideal choice. What people say. The Hitch Hammock Hanger is incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for camping and backpacking trips. The durable construction ensures it can hold a significant amount of weight, providing a secure and stable hanging experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.